25-year-old horse Virat retired from his service in the Indian Army after the 73rd Republic Day Parade and has been formally adopted by the President's bodyguard. Virat was the mount of the President's bodyguard commandant and took part in 13 Republic Day parades. When a PBG horse reaches retirement age, typically between 18 and 22 years, it is relocated to an Army Remount and Veterinary Corps depot, where it can live out its years in peace. Some horses are commemorated within the regiment for their unique service. Virat is one such horse that was awarded the COAS Commendation Card in 2022 and was patted by the President and the Prime Minister on January 26, 2022 during the Republic Day Parade. Virat has been adopted by the PBG post-retirement and it is now looked after by the PBG.
So as this is the most prestigious regiment of India, so what is the role?
We have a President's bodyguard. We have a mandated dual role, which is to undertake operations in war under a parachute formation. And during peacetime, we are the bodyguard to the Honorable President. The regiment also excels in equestrian sports, polo, and traditional mounted sports.
So as we know that 26th January is very near, so what are the preparations going on?
Yeah, at this stage, we are in the process of identifying our horses for the 26th Jan rehearsals. Thereafter, the beating retreat and opening of the Parliament. We undertake a 40 to 45 day rehearsal and practice period from mid-December onwards.
So what is the process you follow for the selection of horses?
The horses must be fit in terms of their health, gait, and temperament.
So, sir, how many days training is started before Republic Day?
We take about 40-45 days worth of rehearsals to condition the horses and the riders for the environment which will be there on Kartavya Path. You see, it's a gradual process where the horse must be desensitized to the vision, the sounds and the noise which he is going to see there.